guys, their counter rate was so bad. You don't receive this amount of money, but by the time it's reaching your hands, it's been slashed quite a bit. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olive Nkirete and this is Olive Nkirete Rebranded. So we do videos about business, money, cryptocurrency. So if you haven't subscribed to join the family, kindly do so. So in today's video, we're going to talk about how to withdraw your money from YouTube / Google AdSense. If you guys are not aware, we got monetized June 30th, if I'm not wrong. Yes, June 30th. So I have been learning the ropes with Google AdSense and YouTube, and till the point that I've actually received my first YouTube paycheck. Yay! However, we're not going to go into the details of that. I just want to show you guys, especially if you're a new YouTuber, if you've never done this before.
Obviously, you've never done this before.
So yeah, I'm going to show you guys what you need to do and how to go about it. Before we get into the video, I have a video on how to get monetized faster on YouTube. You're trying to get your watch hours, you're trying to get 1,000 subscribers. I have a video linked in the description box or up on this link. Learn the tips and tricks that I've shared. So what happens is, once you've been monetized, you go to YouTube and switch on your ads. You've already signed up to Google AdSense and you are actually making money. Step one is go to Google AdSense, go to payments, go to manage settings, and then fill all those details. Go to payments. Then once you click payments, I want you to scroll down and go to settings. So this is the place where you're going to be able to manage your settings, put in all the details, your country, account type, your address, your language preference, primary contact, and so forth. So this is the first step. The thing is, guys, with YouTube, once you filled in all those details, you have to actually get an actual pin from YouTube that you're going to use that pin to put it in your AdSense to verify your account, or rather to verify who you are. So guys, for you to be able to actually apply for the pin, you must reach YouTube's payment threshold. Once your amount reaches 70 euros, you are then able to apply for the YouTube verification pin. This is actually the pin that usually comes. Once you get this pin from your PO box, just put the pin, verify, and yeah, now you're going to be able to withdraw. Go to your Google AdSense account. YouTube will give you a notification about you verifying your billing address. So you're going to get this pin sent to your address. Make sure that the PO box you put in there is the PO box that they will reach you with. It's just a simple paper. Open the pin and then you'll see the 6-digit pin. Then come to your Google AdSense account and key in this 6-digit code and then verify. It takes 2 to 4 weeks. Unfortunately, because of COVID, we waited for quite some time. The second thing is your payment method, or rather your preferred payment method. I personally went with wire transfer. I've seen that Western Union is not applicable anymore, so you only have two options. One is wire transfer and the other one is check. So obviously if it's check, it's gonna take some time because they have to mail you your check. You click payments and then you come here. As you guys can see how you get paid. Manage payment methods, and this is the page that you're going to come. You can literally just add payment method and you'll see the only two options for us in Kenya, or probably even wherever you are. You'll just see the options that are there. So there's wire transfer and there's check. So if you click add new wire transfer details, you're going to have to put these details inside: the name on bank account, your bank name, your Swift BIC, your account number. Retype your account number. Just set this as your primary method. Or you can just add new check details. This is my check details. So obviously if it's to send me my check, it'll have to send it to my address. And you can also set this as your primary method. You can have either the check or the wire transfers. But wire transfer is going to roughly take 3 to 5 days. So for example, YouTubers or content creators on YouTube are usually paid on the 21st of the month. So in my case, because I got the pin a few days earlier before the 21st and I had already passed the threshold, I was eligible to make a withdrawal. on the 21st, you will get an automatic withdrawal to your account. If you put wire transfer, in my case, on the 21st, I got a notification that my money had been automatically deposited into my account. Obviously, because I'm in Kenya and YouTube is not in Kenya, it took some time to reflect, and the 21st was on Friday, so it takes 3 to 5 working days, business working days. And since mine was dispatched on Friday, I received my money at Monday 11:58 p.m. So I got a notification on my phone that I had received my money 11:58 p.m. Pretty much at midnight, which is like Tuesday morning, I received my payment.
Guys, for you to be able to see your transactions, just come to payments and then click transactions, which is this tab, and say view transactions. So what will happen on the 21st, November 21st, 2020, an automatic payment wire transfer was made to my account. You can scroll down and see how much money you've been making each and every month. And what YouTube does is, because I did not get my PIN, July there's an ending balance, August ending balance, September ending balance. Because I did not have my PIN yet, what happened is YouTube was just carrying forward all my cash. So whatever I made in July, here ending balance, it was carried forward to August. Then August, together with what was carried forward, since I got my PIN around the November 18th, if I'm not wrong, I put my PIN, and then eventually I was able to actually withdraw. So if I didn't get my PIN, guys, I'd still have my money in YouTube account. It'll just be again carried forward to December 21st. That's why if you go to my homepage, you'll see that my earnings so far are on 0, because YouTube starts to show you the projections around the first week of December. Now the earnings will start to show.
That's pretty much how you withdraw money. And in my case, let me just add a bit of information for my Kenyan subscribers or East African subscribers, or basically African subscribers, because it was wired directly into my account. I would just like to give you guys a heads up. In whatever country you're in, I think this can also apply to you. There are charges that honestly I did not realize or foreseen, and one of the charges is there's just a transfer charge, the banks charge. So if you're planning to do a wire transfer to your bank account, this is a tip and piece of advice I want to share to you guys. One, please ask your bank the charges that incur to your account if you receive money from abroad or internationally. How much do you charge on international transfers? So that's first thing, guys. Like, please ask that, because I was shocked to see some charges on my account. Two, they usually charge a 20% on the fee for government excise duty or tax, basically. Also ask about that. And then the final thing, guys, the one that has killed me softly, is how do they operate with exchange rates? So like I said, YouTube pays its content creators in euros. Therefore, you will know from the YouTube, or rather in your Google AdSense, how much you'll be expecting. X amount of euros. So if you calculate it with maybe, for example, the day rate at the market is at 128 or 129, 127, thereabout, you kind of have an idea of how much you can kind of be getting. But now the thing is, with a bank, guys, their counter rate was so bad. Like, it was a 5 shilling difference, right? So if X is 130, my counter rate for my bank was 5 shillings less, meaning for every euro I was losing 5 Kenya shillings. And it is actually a lot of money if you calculate it. So imagine if I was withdrawing 1,000 euros. So for every 1 euro I've lost 5 shillings. That is, do the math. So my point is, guys, definitely ask those 3 questions whatever bank you decide to wire your money to. Those 3 questions can keep you sane in the event whereby you could probably change your bank, in the sense that if it's YouTube money, you would not consider banking with that bank. And let me not lie to you guys, and just being transparent and honest. So I'm already considering other banks just to hear their rates, their excise duty, their counter rate in terms of exchange rate. I mean, what are their rates, so that you don't receive this amount of money, but by the time it's reaching your hands, it's been slashed quite a bit. So that is a tip, guys. I have not seen anyone give this tip to content creators, especially when they're withdrawing their money on YouTube. But since I have experienced it firsthand, I just wanted to give you guys this information so that it comes handy for you. Another thing that content creators may not be aware is YouTube does not pay you like November money on November 21st. No, it pays you October money on November 21st. Then on December 21st, it's going to be paying you November money. That is just something I've also come to realize. Otherwise, that is it for today's video, guys. I really do hope you've learned something. And if you are still waiting for your PIN, because I've seen so many of us guys, like during this COVID, my gosh, so many content creators were on the community center at the YouTube place complaining like, hey, yo, I've not gotten my PIN, I've not gotten my PIN. And then YouTube even sends you an alert saying, oh, if you've not gotten your PIN within 4 months, we're going to stop ads on your channel. But anyway, if you've not gotten your PIN, please hang on and do this. Go and reapply again. So there on the dashboard, it's going to tell you, I don't know if it's something to do if you've not received the PIN, you can reapply again. It doesn't really affect the first application you made. And YouTube says even if you receive both PINs, you can still use either, and your account will still be verified and you'll be okay. So yeah, please verify it again so that you get your PIN on time. Thank you guys so much, guys, for being a part of my family. I've seen myself grow from 0 subscribers to 4K subscribers, and it's beyond me, the growth and the sheer support that I get from you guys. I really do appreciate all of you, everyone who likes, who smashes that like button. I love you guys so much. Those of you who comment, give me your thoughts, those of you who give ideas of what to do on the channel, those of you who, share my videos, the family that's even pushed on the notification bell because they don't ever want to miss an upload, and most of the guys who actually support me by sitting through those adverts. My heart goes out to you. I am just truly grateful. So thank you guys. Let's keep growing the channel, and yeah, let's keep sharing on the comment section so that we can learn from each other. And I'll keep sharing with you guys all the tips and tricks that I learned, because I come here to educate, inspire, motivate all my business owners, all my entrepreneurs. Anyway, that's it for today's video. There's some videos on the screen, guys. Just take the time, watch one, watch the other, watch all of them. And yeah, I really do appreciate it, and I do hope you actually learn something from them, because that's the point. Yeah, but all in all, don't forget to start where you are, use what you have, and most of all, do what you can. Bye guys, see you on the next one. So I did go get like my hair straightened a bit, and I like it, guys. Let me know down below, do you like it? Okay, that, you know what, this is not even a, this is, guys, I've got